In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play old school RuneScape on mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to acquire the official old school RuneScape application, especially developed for Android and iOS, meaning that you will be able to run the game natively. You don't have to do any sort of workaround, and it's always being up to date with new features and everything that is included in standard old school RuneScape. So all that you have to do is first visit the website at oldschool.runescape.com. When you arrive at this page, select the option to download Old School. So as you can see, it is over here at the top left. So when you tap download Old School, you will be redirected one time to this page, download Old School RuneScape, and you can find all of the platforms. Usually your platform will be identified and you can tap this big orange button. But if you don't see it here, or if you are having trouble just clicking this, just scroll down and go over to Android or iOS. So I'm using an Android phone, so I'm gonna tap this option and it's going to redirect me to the Google Play Store. If you are on iOS, of course, you would go to the App Store instead. Now just open in another app if you wish. This makes the process quicker because you are redirected to the store and you can download it. So I've went ahead and I installed Old School RuneScape already. Make sure that it is by Jaguax Games Studio and tap play. Now you are ready to access Old School RuneScape. As you can clearly notice, there are a bunch of updates and things to load, but once this whole process is done, you can play Old School RuneScape just like you would in any other platform. So you will be able to sign into a pre-existing account, access all of your characters, and play normally. As you can see, you have to sign in with Google or using an email and username, and after you are done with this process, you will be able to access and play Old School RuneScape. In this video, I'm not going to go over too much detail about how the game works and what to do. I'm only teaching you the setup process. I am a newbie, so it's best for me not to give you any tips. But as you can clearly notice, we have loaded into Old School RuneScape, and we are able to play without any issues. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Old School RuneScape on mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.